Tucked away in the high reaches of the Western Ghats is a place of wonder. This is Mukurthi National Park. It is a crown jewel, a treasure of immense value. In 2012 it was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This recognition was not given lightly. It speaks to the park's global importance, not just for India. The park is a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of the Nilgiri Hills, a range of mountains older than the Himalayas themselves. Here the air is crisp, the silence is broken only by the call of the wild. Mukurthi is a place where nature reigns supreme. Its primary mission was to protect its most famous resident, the Nilgiri tahr. This mountain goat is found nowhere else on Earth. It is a complex, interwoven tapestry of life. To walk through Mukurthi is to step back in time, to experience a landscape that has remained unchanged for millennia. The story of Mukurthi is a story of preservation. This park is a promise, a commitment to safeguard the rich natural heritage of the Nilgiris for all time. The landscape of Mukurthi is unlike any other. It is a unique mosaic of two distinct habitats. You will see rolling grasslands, stunted evergreen forests. These forests are known as sholas. Grasslands across rounded peaks, a blanket of green velvet. Vast, open, windswept and sunlit. Home to tiny insects. Shola forests sit in sheltered folds and valleys, like secret gardens, hidden from harsh elements. Branches heavy with mosses, branches dotted with orchids. Walking into a shola feels like entering another world. They act like giant sponges absorbing monsoon rains, feeding mountain streams, feeding rivers that flow to the plains. This shola grassland ecosystem is incredibly fragile. The balance between forest and grassland is delicate. Animals move between open grasslands to graze. This is the world of Mukurthi, a high-altitude wilderness, a sky island teeming with life. The heart and soul of Mukurthi National Park is one animal. It is the Nilgiri tahr. This magnificent mountain goat is the undisputed monarch of these hills. It is an animal of incredible agility and grace. You will see it navigating the steepest, most treacherous cliffs with ease. Its powerful legs, specially adapted hooves, give it a sure-footedness that is awe-inspiring to watch. The tahr is a symbol of the high mountains, a creature perfectly sculpted by its rugged environment. The Nilgiri tahr is endemic to the Western Ghats, found nowhere else on the planet. This makes its conservation a matter of global importance. Here, the tahr finds the ideal habitat it needs to survive. Grazes on the grasses of the montane meadows, retreats to the safety of the rocky crags to rest and escape predators. The park provides a sanctuary where these animals can live and breed in peace. An adult male tahr known as a saddleback is a truly impressive sight. It gets this name from a light gray patch on its back that develops as it matures. Seeing a herd of tahrs silhouetted against the morning sky on a grassy ridge is an unforgettable experience. Its survival is a measure of our success in preserving the wild heart of the Nilgiris. While the tahr may be the star, Mukurthi is also home to some of the largest and most powerful animals in India. The Asian elephant, a creature of immense intelligence and social complexity, roams these high-altitude forests. These are not the same elephants you might see in the lowland jungles. The elephants of Mukurthi are part of a wider population that migrates across the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. They move through ancient corridors, connecting different forest patches. They are engineers of the ecosystem, shaping the forest as they feed and move. Finding an elephant in the dense sholas and misty grasslands of Mukurthi is a thrilling experience. You might find huge footprints pressed into the mud or piles of dung full of seeds. You might see trees that have been rubbed smooth. Then there is the king of the Indian jungle, the Royal Bengal tiger. Yes, even at these high altitudes the tiger walks. It is the apex predator of this ecosystem. Its presence is the ultimate indicator of a healthy forest. A tiger needs a large territory and a plentiful supply of prey to survive. It means there are enough sambar deer. The tiger is a ghost of the mountains, rarely seen but always present. The tiger is not the only large predator that stalks the sholas and the grasslands of Mukurthi. Another formidable hunter shares this domain. It is the leopard, a master of stealth and adaptability. Its spotted coat is perfect camouflage, blending into dappled forest light or rocky hill outcrops. Versatile predator, hunting a wide range of prey. Small rodents, young deer, hunts at dawn at dusk. Its strength is legendary, dragging heavy prey up trees to hide from scavengers. But there is another predator here, one that relies on teamwork and endurance. The dhole, the Asiatic wild dog. Highly social, they live and hunt in packs, formidable hunters with incredible stamina. Packs can pursue prey over long distances, working together to take down larger animals like sambar deer. Cooperative hunting is a marvel of communication and coordination. Seeing a pack of dholes on the move is rare and thrilling, a flash of reddish-brown fur moving with purpose across grasslands. Beyond the headline acts of tigers, elephants, and taurs, Mukurthi is home to a rich supporting cast of wildlife. Every one of these animals plays a part in the park's intricate web of life. Among the most common large mammals you might see is the sambar deer. This is India's largest deer, a magnificent animal with impressive antlers on the males. They're often found grazing in the grasslands or near the edges of the shola forests. Another deer species found here is the much smaller barking deer or muntjac. It's a shy and solitary creature often heard before it is seen. The park is also home to the jungle cat, a secretive and nocturnal feline. It's slightly larger than a domestic cat, and is an expert hunter of rodents. Looking up into the branches of the shola trees, you might be greeted by a troop of Nilgiri langurs. These beautiful black monkeys with their grayish manes are also endemic to the Western Ghats. Their loud whooping calls are one of the characteristic sounds of the shola forests. They are social animals, living in groups and feeding on leaves. This is just a small sample of the diversity that Mukurthi holds. Every creature, from the largest elephant to the smallest frog, is a thread in the rich tapestry of this ecosystem. Mukurthi National Park is more than just a beautiful landscape, it's a fortress of conservation. Its primary purpose is to protect the unique and fragile life within its boundaries. The park management faces many challenges. The threat of poaching, though reduced, is ever present. To counter this, the park employs a dedicated team of forest guards. These brave men and women patrol the park by day and by night in all weather conditions to deter and catch poachers. Another major challenge is preventing forest fires. A single careless act could lead to a devastating blaze that could destroy vast areas of habitat and kill countless animals. The park authorities create and maintain fire lines, which are cleared strips of land designed to stop a fire from spreading. Constant vigilance is required to protect the park from this ever-present threat. Habitat protection is at the core of all conservation efforts in Mukurthi. One of the biggest threats to the shola grassland mosaic has been the spread of invasive alien plant species, such as wattle. The park is engaged in a long and difficult process of systematically removing these invasive plants. This allows the native grasses to recover. The success of conservation in Mukurthi relies on scientific research and monitoring. They use camera traps to monitor the populations of elusive animals. This information is vital for making informed management decisions. This combination of on-the-ground protection and scientific research makes Mukurthi a model for modern conservation. We have walked through the misty grasslands and the dark shola forests. We have met the mountain monarch, the Nilgiri taur. We have felt the presence of the tiger and the elephant. Mukurthi National Park is a sanctuary of global significance. It's a fragment of an ancient world preserved in the high hills of the Nilgiris. Its value cannot be measured in economic terms. Its worth lies in its very existence, in its wildness, and in the rich tapestry of life it supports. The challenges facing our planet's wild places are immense. Climate change, habitat loss, human pressure threaten to erase these natural wonders forever. Mukurthi is not immune to these threats. The future of this park depends on our continued commitment. We are all stakeholders in the future of Mukurthi. Its fate is a reflection of our own values and our willingness to act. The story of Mukurthi is a story of hope. It's a promise that each generation must make to the next. These places are the legacy we will leave for future generations. Let us ensure that our children and our children's children will have the chance to experience the wonder of a place like Mukurthi, a true jewel in the crown of the Western Ghats. The future is in our hands.